From where is this soothing sound of purity coming from and engulfing the entire town, mesmerizing devotees from all over the world present in the town, guiding them to their destination? The chants of mantras are inviting you from all around. One was unknowingly drawn towards the Mahabodhi temple, stopping only in front of the temple. Festivity was in the air, huge crowd of devotees walking towards the temple, their movements denoting celestial calmness. Gaya town is situated at a distance of 110 kilometers from Patna, capital of Bihar. Bodh Gaya, where the world-famous Mahabodhi temple is situated, is merely 12 kilometers from Gaya. It is a World Heritage Property and is looked after by Bodh Gaya Temple Management Committee. This is the place where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. Today, Bihar Tourism Department and Gaya District Administration are jointly organizing a festival to celebrate the completion of 2600 years of Lord Buddha attaining enlightenment. Whole city is basking in the festive flavor. There are lots of devotees from abroad along with representatives of various religious organizations from different countries. First day of the festival, submerged in the chariot of curiosity and beliefs. Evening brought the official opening of the program. The formal inauguration of the festival was done by the Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, Shri Nitish Kumar, by lighting the traditional lamp in the presence of Buddhist scholars. Other distinguished guests from the state were also present here.
आप सभी को मैं विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में बिहार में अब बाहर से देश और विदेश से टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं। टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट उनके स्वागत के लिए सदैव तत्पर है और उन्हें पूरे बिहार दर्शन के अलावा बिहार में हो रहे सभी महोत्सव की जानकारी इंटरनेट के माध्यम से, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चैनलों के माध्यम से उन तक पहुंचा रहा है।
For many of us today, whether or not we think of ourselves as Buddhist, the Lord Buddha is a symbol of peace and non-violence, because he taught openly to everyone without restriction, and the path he taught involves an inner transformation based on developing wisdom and compassion.
मित्रों, बिहार किस तेजी से बदल रहा है कि आज हजारों लोग दुनिया के दर्जनों देशों से इस बौद्ध महोत्सव में भाग लेने के लिए आए हैं। प्रति सप्ताह 45 हवाई जहाज गया आ रहा है। ये हवाई जहाज कोलंबो से, बैंकॉक से, यांगून से, यानी दुनिया के अलग अलग देशों से और इतनी बड़ी संख्या में तीर्थयात्री आ रहे हैं। और मैं भगवान बुद्ध से, ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना करूंगा कि हम लोगों को इतना आशीर्वाद दे कि हम और बिहार को इसी प्रकार से आगे बढ़ाते रहें और हर साल बौद्ध महोत्सव में और बड़ी संख्या में लोग यहाँ पर आ सके।
बौद्ध महोत्सव के अवसर पर उपस्थित होकर मुझे भी काफ़ी प्रसन्नता हो रही है और इस बार के बेहतरीन आयोजन के लिए और इसमें कई देशों के लोगों को जोड़ने के लिए मैं विशेष तौर पर पर्यटन विभाग को बधाई देता हूं। मुझे खुशी है कि आज के समारोह में बिहार या भारत के ही नहीं, दूसरे देशों के लोग भी हिस्सा ले रहे हैं और सचमुच ये बौद्ध महोत्सव का विस्तार है। मैं समझता हूँ कि आप सब लोग जो बाहर से आते हैं, आप सबका आशीर्वाद मिले, शुभकामना मिले और फिर से बिहार ज्ञान की भूमि बने, अहिंसा और सत्य और अहिंसा की भूमि बने, हम तो यही कामना करते हैं। आप सब लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत, बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन।
केसरिया बलवा पधारो मारे देश, पधारो मारे देश, बालमवा पधारो मारे देश, पधारो मारे देश रे, पधारो मारे देश रे, पधारो मारे देश रे।
After the beautiful performance, monks from Mahayana and Theravada sect rendered prayers on stage and welcomed all with humility at this festival. Dancers from Sri Lanka performed a ritualistic dance seeking Lord Buddha's presence amidst them on stage. Each should receive peace and tranquility. This is the message of this dance from Thailand. We couldn't fully relish the musical rendition because immediately the performance of the dancers from Bhutan started on the stage. Sinmari dance from Sikkim that is inspired from conversation between a boy and the girl and their love situations. This is the Uttama Manidala dance from Sri Lanka.
Uttama Munidalada Badamana Mopuraranauka Balan Saki Satsamuduru Gambare Uttama Munidalada Badamana Mopuraranauka Balan Saki Satsamuduru Gambare
This folk dance from Bhutan reflects the glorious history of Bhutan and also conveys the message of preserving the cultural traditions. Each dance personifies the greatness and influence of mountains. As there can be no calculation about the greatness of Lord Buddha, similarly, there can be no specification about the emotional quotient of this dance. The folk dance from Sikkim called Singhi Cham can be termed in the same category. This dance is based on the mountain ranges of Kanchenjunga. Changda communities are performing this dance, which is normally performed during their yearly festival. This place attracted audiences from each nook and corner of the world. The evening concluded with a different kind of dance by Sri Lankan dancers who performed on the beats of Indian music. There could have been nothing better than this way for concluding the day's program. Although the day ended, but it was not the end of festival. This celebration will go on for 3 days with different styles of presentations.
It's a 3-day cultural extravaganza where the first day we celebrated various cultural and art forms related to religion of Buddhism. So we had performance from Thailand, Bhutan, Sri Lanka. Second day we celebrated the glory of Bihar. And after that, we showcase the incredible India. What we are trying to show to the world, that it is here that Lord Buddha attained his enlightenment, and 2600 years ago, and his preachings are still relevant today. But we also want to show the unity in diversity of India.
Without doubt, this festival will showcase to the world Bihar's culture and also the glorious history of our country. This kind of presentation will put forward and introduce people from other countries about the significance of Bodh Gaya and the greatness of India. The second day was meant for Bihar. a dance drama was performed to highlight the culture of Bihar.
दिशा दिशा में लोक रंग का तार तार है।
दिशा दिशा में लोक रंग का तार तार है। महका महका सोंधी माटी का बिहार है।
दिशा दिशा में लोक रंग का तार तार है।
महका महका सोंधी माटी का बिहार है। महका महका सोंधी माटी का बिहार है। बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि। महावीर के चरणों से पावन वैशाली, तपोपूत है बोधि वृक्ष की डाली डाली। महावीर के चरणों से पावन वैशाली, तपोपूत है बोधि वृक्ष की डाली डाली।
गुरुवाणी का मंत्र हृदय के आर पार है।
अव्वल अल्लाह गुरु पाया, कुदरत दे सब बंदे।
एक नूर ते सब जग उपजा, कौन भले कौन मंदे।
झरझर झांझ जरा झर झनकत, झगरत झोरा झोरी। झरझर झांझ जरा झर झगरत झोरा झोरी। झुमक झूलनी चमक झुकी झलकत, झुमक झूलनी चमक झुकी झलकत। झरत झरा झर झोरी रे, कन्हैया कहते चलो बुढ़िया आजे कहते। कन्हैया कहते चलो बुढ़िया आजे कहते।
जरा बोलो जरा बोलो जरा बोलो मेरी माँ। जरा बोलो जरा बोलो जरा बोलो मेरी माँ।
तेरे चरणों में आया, तेरे चरणों में आया, उद्धार करो माँ।
जरा बोलो जरा बोलो जरा बोलो मेरी माँ। जरा बोलो जरा बोलो जरा बोलो मेरी माँ।
दुख आर्य सत्य, जन्म भी दुख है, जरा भी दुख है, व्याधि भी दुख है, मरण भी दुख है, अप्रियों का संयोग दुख है, प्रियों का वियोग भी दुख है। इच्छा पड़ने पर किसी चीज का ना मिलना भी दुख है।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि।
नमो तस्य भगवतो अर्हतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्य।
All around one could hear the festive sounds. Whatever may be the mode of worship, but the objective is the same. Buddhist religion has presence in many countries, and that is the reason many of them have their centers in Bodh Gaya. Their architecture and style symbolizes distinct culture of each country. Representations of so many countries depict the popularity of Buddhism and its influence on the world. Each traveler goes around the sites with curiosity and faith in their hearts. Buddhist monks and devotees took out a peace procession in the city to highlight the teachings of Buddha and create awareness. This procession ended at the Mahabodhi temple. The festival not only catered to entertainment but also included other programs like an interfaith prayer meet dedicated to world peace under the Bodhi tree. And apart from this, an international seminar on Buddhism was held in the vicinity of this venue. Buddhist scholars exchanged their views and discussed on several issues.
Buddhism teaches you how to subjugate your desires, give more, take less.
The topic of this seminar was the relevance of Buddhism in the 21st century. Representatives from each country expressed their views on this in front of the august audience. Bodh Gaya is the epicenter of this celestial experience. Bodh Gaya's famous Buddhist temple, where a huge statue of Buddha is installed, is a symbol of Sambodhi and removal of ignorance. Faith and belief are the two ingredients of the religious practices. We got the opportunity to witness various shades of this during the festival. All around, the ambience of calmness engulfed the atmosphere. We could feel the tranquility of Buddha still persisting by his continued blessing even today. The last day of the festival belonged to Indian culture and folk stories. Every tourist should be informed about other states as well, apart from Bihar, and the dancers were invited from other states to perform here. After this lovely musical performance, next folk dancers from Madhya Pradesh came on the stage and presented the traditional Badhai dance. A perfect example of love and friendship was portrayed in this dance of Sikkim. This dance represents the greatness and diversity of culture in Sikkim. When one talks about flavors of music, it is inevitable that Bihu comes to mind. Bihu is one of the most famous dances performed all over Northeast with fervor and enthusiasm. Its rhythm and beats are all-time favorites. Since long, this Gotipua dance has been performed by boys. Goti means to live and Pua means a boy. This traditional dance of Odisha is performed with a lot of enthusiasm and energy. another dance from Manipur, which is called Dhol Cholam. In this dance, the dancers perform at slow and fast beats of dhol. Garba is one of the most popular folk dances of Gujarat, which is now being performed in other states also. After the eye-catching performance of Garba, now we have on the stage Manganiyar community of Rajasthan. This is another community in Rajasthan called Kalbelia, whose dance is now becoming famous all over the country. Lavani, a folk dance from Maharashtra. Holi is a festival of joy and happiness, and Holi celebrations of Brij are known all over. Siddhis are considered to be one of the oldest known communities in the world, and the folk dances are still performed in the old traditional manner today. We have enjoyed the performances from different states, but this could not hide the soothing religious calmness of Gaya. The festival of folk culture is towards its culmination, but still there is a glimmer of hope left in our hearts. All the devotees will never forget celestial strength which they felt, along with the satisfaction and peace which they will remember for the whole life. The fragrance of this place will keep on inspiring them to come back. Enjoy the serenity and affection of these surroundings. The resonance of mantras will inspire you to come back, and for the district administration and both Gaya Temple Management Committee, this will be their biggest success, which will be repeated year after year.